Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Besties theme on Instagram. So first you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application first by clicking on this update. Once you done that, you need to go back and log in into your Instagram account and click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation and click on the person name on the top. From here you need to click on theme. Here you can see different options. The first one is besties. Select that, wait for a few seconds, and now you can see that besties theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.